Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll explore Telegram's latest update for organizing channels directly on the web version. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a crowded chat list, this feature is about to become your best friend. Let's dive into the quick and easy process of adding channels to custom folders on Telegram Web for PC. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Telegram Web. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the interface loads, look to the top of the left-hand menu. You'll see your existing chat folders listed here. Now, here's where the magic happens. Right-click on the folder where you want to add your channels. A small context menu will pop up. From this menu, select Edit Folder to open the customization options. You'll now see a settings window for your folder. Look for the Add Chats button. It's your gateway to organizing. Click it, and a new panel will slide in, showing all your chats and chat types. Here's the key step. Check the box next to Channels in the Chat Types section. This ensures Telegram filters and displays only your channels in the selection list. You can also manually pick specific channels by searching for them or scrolling through the list. Once you've checked all the channels you want to include, hit Save at the bottom of the window. Telegram will instantly update the folder, and you'll see your selected channels neatly grouped together. No more endless scrolling. Just click the folder's name in the left menu to access your organized channels instantly. This update is perfect for users managing multiple interests, whether it's work-related updates, news alerts, or hobby groups. Keep your main chat list clutter-free while staying on top of what matters most. If you ever need to tweak the folder, simply repeat the process. Right-click the folder, edit, and adjust your selections. And that's it. Telegram's web version now lets you streamline your channels with just a few clicks. Give your digital workspace a productivity boost, and never lose track of important updates again. If this tutorial made your life easier, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.